So today What's up guys? So today me and Blaine are gonna go and put an amp and a sub inside the truck. So Blaine's taking the stuff out of his 350Z over here, and then we're gonna move it into the truck. So yeah. Boy, what's going on with your hair? So I just needed to get the wiring kit, so I just picked one up from Walmart. So this is the kit that I picked up. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is run your power wire. So we just ran it like this, which is this one that connects to the battery. So we poked a hole through the grommet in the firewall, and now we're gonna start pulling it through. Okay, go. Yeah. So I didn't connect it to the battery yet. I'm gonna set up everything first and then plug it in. And then you just run your battery wire all the way to the amp, and I just have mine under the seat, so it's connected right here. And then you're just gonna want to ground your amp, so you're just gonna put the wire in here, and then on the center console bracket we're just putting the ground over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the back of the double DIN, so I'm just gonna have to take off this piece, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then it should be good. And next you're going to want to run your remote wire, so that's this one. So you're just going to run it all the way to the back of the double DIN and then connect it there.
That's easier, just pull it out.
And then this one. Yep. And then I'm going to run the RCA jack the same way that I routed the remote wire.
Get the booty rug.
There's people walking their horses. Oh.
I'm gonna get a horse like that for my birthday.
Your horse like that for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. And the last thing you're gonna want to do is run your speaker wire. So you just do the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, and then you run it all the way to where you're gonna have your sub. So I have my sub in the back, so I'm just gonna run these wires all the way to the back, and I'll show you how I did that. And then you can just take the trim off and then tuck all your wires underneath so you can't see it. So it goes all the way through here, all the way to the back. So I just have my sub in the back. And just like the amp, you're going to want to put the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. And once you have everything pretty solid, you're just going to go ahead and connect your power cord to the battery. So yeah, just hook it up to the positive side. And it works now. And then when you're done, you can just go ahead and change this over here and kind of see what you like. I have it all the way on minimum because I don't want it to be like too hammers right now. So that's just what I have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is it from the outside. I like that it's pretty modest, I guess you could say. Like the license plate doesn't shake or anything, and it's pretty quiet from the outside. You can't really hear a whole lot because that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted it to have some bass, but I didn't want it to be like any kind. So yeah. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it somewhat helpful. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!